do my hair toss, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling? Hair toss.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or if you are new, welcome to my channel. This vlog that I am putting up today with us going to the beach actually happened like a while ago. If you watched either my last video or the video before that, I can't remember which one was this. Honestly, probably my last video. But I had mentioned that I had no idea how to put this this vlog, because I recorded on my phone, on my computer. Well, I figured it out. Thank you to Alyssa, my good friend Alyssa over at Listique. She owns the boutique Listique. And thank you so much, girl, for letting me know. I read it, did it. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Now I know how to record on my phone and put it on to my computer. So, alright, my daughter's calling me, so I gotta go. But please enjoy this video, and if you do, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. And I actually have a video coming soon right after this one, so stay tuned. It has to do with these little like crop shirts here. I don't know if hopefully it's my boob. Oh, I don't know. But yeah, so stay tuned for my next video. Okay, it will be up really soon. And thanks, guys. Enjoy my vlog. It's a little short one, but enjoy. Okay, today is beach day. Where are we going? The beach.
Target first.
Well, we're going to Target first. Welcome back, everybody, to my vlog. Today's beach day, and I know what you are going to say. Why are we going to the beach? It is clear that we could go to the beach. We just can't have, you know, a full setup or be next to anybody. So we're going. But first, we're going to, you already know, Target.
Oh, I'm cold. You're sunny. Mommy, I'm cold and they're sunny.
Oh, now Zay has the sun and you have the cold.
Right.
Cute. And Sissy? Cute.
This is my favorite. I'm getting that.
Okay. They both want the different bags.
You want Cheetos or hot Cheetos, Mama?
I told you we should have got a cart.
We got two hands right here.
Okay. So we are getting a beach, what's it called? A beach, like a blanket, huh? Like a beach blanket. What's it called? This thing.
Beach blanket.
Okay, so we're getting a beach picnic blanket. Can't really see right now. It looks like this. Oh, cute. And then the frozen 2 towels. Cute.
Yes. Hey!
Look at my girls holding hands. So cute. Okay, let's go pick up Lunchables for you guys. Okay, so we're gonna get these ones, right? The crackers Lunchables?
Oreos?
You got the Oreos? Should we do 4? It's 4 for 6, or should we just do 4?
Yes.
Lunchables. Lunchables.
No, get that too. We're gonna get hungry later.
Yeah, get the Lunchables, eh?
We're gonna get hungry later.
Alright, guys, so we obviously left Target. We are on our way now to the beach, but we have stopped to get food because we were starving and we haven't eaten. So we got In-N-Out protein style because we're trying the whole, you know, keto thing, and it's actually going pretty good for us. But yeah, Zay's passed out. Ariel's still awake. Come, Mama. You excited to go to the beach? Yeah. Yeah, so we're gonna eat these and then we're gonna go to the beach right when we're done. And we'll let you know when. Ew, look how white I am. I'm really hoping I get a tan today. We can't have a whole like easy up setup anyway, so we'll probably be in the sun the whole entire time. So hopefully I do get a tan, but and some pictures obviously. So we'll let you know when we get there. So much fun. Here goes Anthony.
Go up all the way out there, it's still like 2 feet.
Far out there. You guys, he was far out there and still like to his ankles. It's so low today. Here at the...
Oh, how do I take a picture?
Let's fix this. Here at the beach. Trying to hide our drinks. Some the girls playing. You guys, if the weather feels so good, but I hate that it's so windy. It makes it cold. Ariel's gonna dig eggs.
Barry, not dig. Barry, not
Oh,
dig.
Barry. Ariel's gonna bury eggs. Well, you're gonna have no legs. Your legs are gonna disappear. What are you guys doing? Playing with
You
the
look like little
sand.
fishies.
You look like little fishies.
You guys little fishies? Harry, you little fishy? Yeah.
What are you guys making?
Cheesecake
Cheesecake
for everybody.
for everybody.
For our family.
Anthony's making homemade cheesecake. It already smells good. If I can smell it. Oh. Okay, we got you plain in the sugar.
Now, can I try?
Zay's gonna see. Do your face. Oh, get it.
Wait.
Oh, you just poured it. Looks good.
This was definitely 2 pie crusts.
2 pie crusts.
Yeah, I'm wrapping the guy another one tomorrow.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Whoa.
Well, it won't get hard though if you leave it.
Mommy, look.
Whoa.
Yeah, okay. Oh, sure.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and remember to subscribe. I'm sorry this is like a really short, super random vlog. I was gonna add to this one, but the next video I'm doing, I want to make it its own, like, you know, cute little video. Be sure and stay tuned. I'm hoping that you're gonna love my next one. I'll give you a little hint. Tie-dye. But you know, that was weird. Anyways, love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.
You better know my worth. There's so much that I deserve, but I ain't worried now. I'ma let my head down. Keep been trying it, but not